Hi guys, so welcome back for the fourth video of CCNA. Now, I feel like I've been missing out on quite a bit, but what I want you to do is I want you to reload this device. I'm hoping that you've still kept the same things, otherwise just follow. This is not really one that requires much intervention, but we're reloading the device we used from the last video. And waiting. Still waiting. There we go. And as you can see, we've lost our passwords. And the switch is now named switch. Now this is because we missed out on one command. We made a lot of changes up here, well, further on in the switch. But now we've changed things around. We've got a bit of an issue here. So what I've done is this device is named switch 2. I've just changed that. You can change that yourself if you want, but you don't need to. I just need to show you how to actually save this device so you can keep it. Now in this executive mode, represented by the hashtag, again, don't know why I call that. I know it's not its real name, I just prefer it. We need to enter the command copy. Now we need to select something to see if we can copy the flash, copy the file transfer protocol, but what we've got to copy this current system config, and we've also got the startup config. So what we can do here is we can copy the running config, which has our name changed to S2, and now as you can see, it's copying the running config, copy from the current specifications, copy to the current specifications. That's where we need to enter the startup config. So that's just saying that whatever commands that we've got on this router is now going to be saved to it. So once we reload, you'll see, well, I hope you'll see, I could be mistaken, but and here we go. Yep, we've got switch 2 still the correct name. And now just one last thing before we go, I want you to do show IP int, or if you want you can hit tab from here and it's got interface. It'll pick it up anyway, and brief. Now we've got, as you can see, there's a lot of saying that they're down. We've got 1 that's up and 16 that's up, and all the way down. Everything else is down, and VLAN 1 is administratively down. Okay, now what this could be, is if you want we can go over and take a look. Now this is what a switch would pretty much basically look like in the real world, but we don't really have that kind of thing here. And as I said, this is what it looks like in real life, but we don't really have any more details from here. Now we've got here port status is on now. Really shouldn't have done this, shouldn't have shown you this thing, but I was just hoping it would give us a nice little thing. I kind of new to packet tracer, but if we hover over this, we can see that it's got, sorry I can't move the mouse, but if you look at fast Ethernet 0/1, it's up, and 0/16. Now 0/1 is what we've connected this cable to, 0/1, and obviously I've now lost connection to it. And this one here was connected on port 16. And if we go over to the switch, yep, we can hover over that nicely. We can see that the fast Ethernet 1 is up, and the fast Ethernet 08 is up. And that's because that's where these little connections have been placed into the device. You know, if I change it to gig Ethernet, we can see down here, well, sorry you can't see, but it's up obviously. I'll change that one around to something that you can see that I've just changed it around. And yeah, so we've got fast Ethernet up 8. Now, that's all I wanted to show you for this video. But do remember the command, and that the command show IP interface brief, it will come up a lot in the future, and so will a lot of other commands. But anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.